Hey YouTube, thanks for watching another video. Richard Hale with Hale Associations here. Today we're going to look at a premium WordPress theme called Divi. It was designed by Elegant Themes. Before we get into the features and details, real quickly, I'm going to show you how you can come over here and actually get a great deal. If you're a WordPress developer, you're an SEO, or any association to building websites, if you come over to elegantthemes.com, URL right here, they have one of the best deals ever. I'm not associated. They have an affiliate program, but I'm not a part of it. I'm just here to give you some great information and give you access to a great deal. Not only to get Divi, but also 86 other themes. Actually, what Elegant Themes offers is complete access to their entire collection of WordPress themes, which is actually 87 total themes. If I'm not mistaken, it's around $250. If you shopped around for WordPress themes, they can range anywhere between $10–$20, and I've seen some as high as $150–$200. Well, for $250, you can get the Divi theme and 86 more themes, not to mention a few pretty cool plugins that you'll love. So, pretty great deal. Why not get it? They're quality themes. It's not some BS cheap themes that's not worth the investment when you can get 87 themes for $250. Just one-time payment, I may add. Pretty good deal. So that's again at elegantthemes.com, and that's how you get to the Divi theme. So they have lesser packages where you can just buy Divi, but if you got $250, why not pick all of them up, have complete access to use them for your clients? You can't beat 87 premium WordPress themes for around $250, give or take some change. Okay, now back over here to halewebdevelopment.com, which is our blog here at Hale Associations, and we are going to take a look at the Divi theme. We'll visit the homepage real quick. The homepage is just your basic 10 post on the homepage. We have a right hand sidebar. As you can see, it's nothing fancy, just your typical blog homepage that has your current posting on the homepage. Now, one of the main reasons I like working with Divi is due to our clientele. The clients that we get, a lot of them do like WordPress. A lot of them prefer WordPress, but they also want a website designed that they can easily customize. 95% of them don't know code. They don't know HTML. They don't know CSS. They don't know JavaScript, jQuery. They know nothing about programming. So one of the advantages of using Divi is you don't have to have any coding or programming experience to make your website look presentable and professional. You absolutely need nothing to know about code. And in a lot of cases, clients want an easy platform that they can customize and make changes to, which WordPress is awesome for that. I know there's other options out there. I'm not a big fan of them, to be honest. I think WordPress is probably the easiest and probably the best CMS out there. I think WordPress has a lot more options when it comes to plugins, premium support, premium WordPress themes. So with saying that, if you're the type of developer and you come across these clients a lot, which we do, and most of the clients we offer is marketing and SEO. So we're able to use Divi or other WordPress themes that's really custom and easy for the client to change. And that makes a big difference. They're happy about it. It's simple. You can give them directions. So that's pretty much why we choose Divi. And not to mention, I mean, there's all kinds of great features. When you get Divi, you also get the Divi Page Builder. It's awesome for building pretty cool landing pages. Very, very important in, pretty much nearly everything that we do. So with saying that, we're going to come over here, and if you're familiar with WordPress, up to the top, we go to Theme Customizer. Not all themes have this, but Divi does, where you can make the changes in real time. So I'm going to give you an inside look to all the different features. So the first feature is going to be your general settings. So when you go to general settings, you'll see site identity, layout settings, typography, and the background. So your site identity, this is just a simple site title and the tagline of your page. Layout settings, you have a few different options here. You can enable the boxed layout by clicking here, and you can see we automatically justified here on the right. We got website content width. Right now it's at 1450. You can increase this, decrease as you wish. And you can also come over here and type it in. Or maybe not. Let's just adjust this 1 notch back. 1440 will do. Okay, website gutter width. This is, as you can see, that's going to be your space between your content and your sidebar. You can use a custom sidebar, and what it does, it gives you a sidebar width, the section height, and the row height, and the accent color of your sidebar that you can mess with. Now we're looking at the text, the text of the website. You can see all of these are easy to change. Don't need no code. You have body text size, body line height, header text size, header letter spacing, header line height, header font size. Have font sizes for your headers and your body also. Body link, body text, and header text colors. All of them can be customized as you wish. Simply click on one, and as you can see down here, you can choose any color that you want and really get the exact look. And colors are important for branding. Definitely want to match the logo, so you have a lot of text. Now the background, this is simply the background. You can add specific background color, or if you have an image that you want to add, you can add that too. Now the header and navigation, so we're looking at header format, your primary menu bar, secondary menu bar, fixed navigation settings, and more header elements. So here we can enable vertical navigation, and as you can see, all it does is put your main menu navigation bar to the left. Or the other option you have is to hide navigation until you scroll. So it's going to be hidden, and once you start scrolling down, your navigation bar will appear. It don't appear in the custom settings here, but once you get it saved, it will appear exactly like that. Now the primary menu bar, you can either make it full width, you can hide the logo, and you can adjust menu height, the logo max height, text size, letter spacing. You can choose the font style that you want. You can bold, italicize, or underline. Then you got the text color, active link color. You have background color, drop down menu background color for your menu bar right there. And you also have drop down menu text color. And these are all the options for the primary menu bar. And you'll have the same, pretty much the same thing for your secondary menu. Text size, letter space, and font styles. You can change the background color, text color, and again with the drop down menu you can change the background color or you can change the text color. And that's the secondary menu bar features. Now your fixed navigation settings, once again you can hide your logo image. You can change the fixed menu height, text size. You can change the primary menu background color, secondary menu background color. You can change the link colors to both the primary and secondary menus, and also your active primary menu link color. And it just says active, just like when you hover over something. If you clicked on the about page, that's going to highlight in the color that you choose down here. Now this feature, we can show our social icons, and them are shown up here, and also show the search icon. You can add your phone number, which we'll do right now. And you can also add your contact email, and these will appear just right here, there on the left top corner. Always make sure you save before you exit. So now the footer settings. So with the footer settings you have layout, widgets, footer elements, footer menu, bottom bar. So we can scroll down here. And this is our footer for the website. So the layout, as you can see, we have 4 columns, and that's what you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be changed to 3, 2 halves, a whole, and then you got a quarter and 3/4. And you can select the background color of your footer. Widgets, this is just more or less the widgets that you add down here. You can change the widget text size, and we can change the header, and these are going to be the headers of the footer. So we got the text size, font size, and bold Italian. And then you come to your body link text size, body link line height, bold Italian size, underline. Then we have the widget text color, the widget link color, and the header color and bullet colors. As you can see right here, both are the same color. And we'll change one just for an example, see if we can match our logo. That's probably a little bit too bright. That's a little bit closer. We'll take a code. That way we can match it down here. Okay, cool. And again, always make sure that you save. So your footer elements, the only option here is the show social icons. And you have the option for a bar right here. If we actually move this down here, you can almost see the social icons. Won't go all the way down though, don't know why. Footer menu. So this is any menus that would be placed down here in our footer if you choose to do so. You can choose the footer menu background color, footer menu text color, the letter space and font size, and so on. And the bottom bar background color, and the bottom bar is this main bottom. You can barely see it down here when you're in the custom options here. For whatever reason, it won't go all the way down on some computers. Others it will. But you can change the background color, text color, the font styles, font size, the social icon size, and the color of your icon colors. So we'll go ahead and change this to match our logo. Sadly, we don't spend enough time on our own website. We're so busy with clients. Sadly, it's neglected. Okay, buttons. So, two different options. You have button style and the hover style when you hover over the button. And what we see here is you can change the text size, the color, the background color, the border width, the border color, radius, letter space, and pretty much a bunch of different things. You can select different icons. They have a bunch here that you can choose from when you add a button. You can change the color of these icons. You can change the placement, right or left, and only show the icon on hover. The hover style, fewer options, but you still have the text color, background color, border color, radius, and letter spacing. And this is when you hover over. This actually is a short code button, so it's not the exact button that you would see if you used this from the theme. The blog, just post. These are the posts on the main front here. Let's go back to the home page real quick. So the different options you have here is the meta text size, meta line height, and the meta letter spacing. And you can also change the font style. So if we bold this, that's the metadata that they're referring to. Underline it. That shows you right there. And it does it globally for the blog. So any blog post would be just like that. And you also have header text size, header line height, header letter spacing, and the font style that you can also change. Now mobile styles, see how this come in. Pretty cool feature with this theme, and you can see exactly how your site appears as it would on mobile. You can see that it's totally different. Our sidebar doesn't start to the last blog article, and it goes all the way down, of course, and does the 2x2 or single for iPhone. But you can see right now the tablet, and this is so cool because I've not come across another theme that does this, where you're able to look at tablet, look at phone, and actually have a few different options that you can mess with right here. Section height, row height, body text size, and the header text size are what you can change down here. Got it for the phone. See how it closes up there. Same options. And then you have the mobile menu, which is pretty cool. If you go all the way to the top, and this is how your top would line up. This is the search bar, and this is your menu. So that's what I'm talking about right there. So the menu text color, we'll have that black. Background color, it is a very, actually we have it as white, but if we added a little bit of color to it, that's what it would look like. But I thought it was a pretty cool feature, because you don't see that a lot. You usually have to go to your developer tools. These are just color schemes. Divi comes with 4 color schemes. Green, orange, pink, and red is what you can choose. Menus, this is just what you would see if you went to your WordPress dashboard and got into the menus where you had certain pages. That's all it is you can do it from that option. Same for the widgets. Shows your widget areas, the sidebar, and your footer areas. We have 4, so that's why you see it there. And static page, we have it on the latest post, shows the first few blogs. We can always change it to a static page. That is all the options there in the theme optimizer. So some more options. Let's go back to the dashboard. And if we scroll all the way down, we'll see Divi. And theme customizer, that was the same thing that we was in. But if we go to theme options, this is where you'll see your ePanel, and these are just some more options that you have. This is exactly where you would add your logo. This is exactly where you would add your favicon. So we do have a favicon. Interesting. I don't see it. Like it disappeared. Maybe we can find it. I don't even think I have it. Well, I thought we had it. But if you had a favicon, that's exactly where you would add it. Fixed navigation bar. We have this enabled. Got blog style mode and grab the first post image. We have both of these disabled because we do that in the WordPress editor. Shop page and category page layout for WooCommerce. Divi is a WooCommerce option. So if you was getting Divi for products in a store, of course that's what you'd want. Divi works with MailChimp, you need an API key, and that's the settings there. And it also works with Aweber to good marketing, email marketing platforms right here. And then we have our list. That's both associated with email marketing, so we're not worried about that. Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and your RSS feed icon. That's only 4 options that you have with this theme. I don't know why, but yeah. And it has a bunch of different other options that you can go over with, but pretty much that is a quick review of Divi. Once you get into the features and actually start changing them, you'll find out that there's actually a lot to it. But this was just a quick review. If anybody has any questions, feel free to comment. 0 to 10, I would definitely give Divi at 8.5. One of the main reasons is the Divi Builder, and I haven't showed that to you yet, so we're going to hop over here and let me show you real quick. And this is a plugin that comes with it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this on this page because I would erase my content as long as I don't save it. Let me copy this real quick. So as you can see right here, use the Divi Builder. So when we get down here, this is your Divi Builder. It has modules, it has rows, and then it has sections. Pretty cool. So we have a text box here. Say if we didn't want that text box, we'd erase it, enter module. So now we see all the different blocks that you can add to the page builder. You have accordion, blog, circle counter, a timer, filter table, portfolio, login, person, pricing table, slider, testimonial, video. All these different options are different modules that you can actually add to the layout of your page. So say we want to do a specific page, say maybe it's going to be a landing page or whatnot. So we can look at the structure, and right here we see all our different columns that we can use. We got half, we got thirds, and we got fourths. So when we click on the fourth, we see 1, 2, 3, 4. Click, say we're going to add our blog, and as you see, each module has a bunch of different options in here. Don't have to know anything about coding, and that's a big deal to somebody, some people, some businesses. You got advanced settings, which has a bunch of different, all kinds of different features. And if you need to add custom CSS and you know code and you want to add something, you can add it. And that's the cool part about it. If you needed a new row, just click new row. Say this one's going to be halves. Add another row, maybe this one's going to be a fourth, a half, and a fourth. And each one you can, put different options, different modules as you need them. And the next thing you know, you're building the structure of your landing page or whatever it might be, article, whatever. Pretty cool. I like working with Divi Builder. As you can see, these are drag and drop. You can put these anywhere. You can erase them as you need them. Drag and drop. Need to work a new section. All you gotta do, just delete that row, and start over. They put it in the half, and they also have specialty sections, and they're already mapped out. Click on it, and that's exactly what you get. So I love it. Like I said, probably give it an 8.5 out of 10 because all the different features. But I love the page builder because landing pages can be tough, and especially if you don't know code. And I know a lot of small business owners just absolutely don't know code. So they want something that is easy to use, easy to customize, so it only makes sense. So appreciate you guys sticking in for what I would consider a long video for me. Usually only get my 15 minutes, so I'm glad to see that we're allowed to record more. That's cool. Appreciate all the support from everybody. 77 subscribers. I mean, that's cool to me. And I hope these videos are helpful because that's the main purpose. Just trying to help other people. A lot of people help me along my way. So this is my way of giving back. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Appreciate your likes, appreciate your thumbs up, appreciate your social shares. And hey, we'd love to have you and share more videos with you. So please subscribe. Thank you for your time. We'll catch you next video.